If you're having trouble getting connector pins on to your stripped wire and you have it keep bird caging on you, or the strands keep going everywhere, here's a quick tip to help you out with that. So I've marked out on the wire where I want to strip it out to, and I'm going to take probably about 2/3 of that away, strip that off, and then with this remaining portion I'm going to strip that back, and I'm going to try to not let it fly off the end of the wire. Okay, so this piece right here is loose, and now it's holding all of those strands together, and you can take your pin, slide it over, you can see, mess that up when we slide it back over. Put your pin over, no strands are exposed, and then just cut out this little section right here, peel that off, and slide it on, and that is a perfectly seated connector pin here, and there are no strands exposed. So there you go, hope that helps.